What's up, YouTube? This video is to show you how to diagnose a Polaris RzR that won't start. I have a 2013 Polaris RzR 900. I had this in my toy hauler, went to take it out to wash it, and wouldn't start. I kept my battery charged, so I knew it wasn't my battery. I went to the starter solenoid and jumped it from the battery, and it turned over. The starter solenoid is right down there. So yeah, it started. I drove it in to my garage, bought a new solenoid because I thought that's what the problem was, and still same thing. I turn the ignition on, I hear the fuel pump prime, but that's it, nothing else happens. So I talked to my buddy, he was thinking it was the ignition switch, so I went on Amazon, bought me a $6 I don't know if you can see it, $6 ignition switch. Same problem, still fuel pump would prime, but it wouldn't even try to turn over. So I put my old switch back on right here, and the one I bought from Amazon I'll return. So I got a hold of my buddy and told him it's still not working. He came over. This multimeter is mine, but he has one like this. He took this switch apart. The switch is from the ignition, sends a signal to the relay to turn on. So he thought maybe the switch was bad. So we took the prongs from this, put it in on this side of the switch, as I turned the ignition to see if there was getting a signal. And sometimes we would, sometimes we wouldn't get a signal. So he thought it was either this or maybe the brake master cylinder switch, which I knew nothing about, but he did. So we came over here where the brake master cylinder is, and get my light set up here. So this wire comes from the ignition, and it goes into this, and this is what found out what's broke. So this, you have to push in the brake pedal to allow the engine to start, and this sends a signal. When you push the brake pedal, this sends a signal to this, which sends a signal to the computer, allowing the RzR to start. So my buddy thought this might be it. He cleaned it with some degreaser, still same problem. So we put these paper clips in there, and it turned over every single time. So kind of find out, I gotta buy this piece, which is like $45 on Amazon. And yeah, so I haven't bought it yet, but that's how you diagnose it, and those are the possible problems you'll come across. So I hope this helps. The videos for all you do-it-yourselfers like myself. I don't like to send your stuff in and have somebody else do it. So hope it helps.